Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Smiledirectclub INC. Now the stock has again started moving higher and it raises lots of questions because first of all a breakdown has happened in this particular stock. So is it going to reclaim its previous support? Is this the turnaround which we are looking here after a very sharp downside? So there are lots of questions and we have to see through it. So let's discuss about all these things. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Let's start with the new low that the stock has made, which is 1.77, and stock has started moving higher. So as of now, it's good that the stock has at least started moving higher. So the next thinkable target will be 3.69 or 3.7, which was the low in March 2020, and the stock started moving higher. So as of now, 3.7 will be your next target, your next big resistance, or I would say an entry point above which you will get a big space to run. So that's why your next target is going to be very important. But let me further divide it into two parts. So instead of 3.7, you should look at 2.88 first and then 3.7. So this is your first target, which is 2.88, and then we have a big resistance of 3.7. Now do not go below 1.77, as this can also be a trap because people want to take punt on stocks which are trading at $1 or $2, but there are inherent risk or big risk which are always attached to this kind of stock. So do not go below 1.77. It doesn't matter how lucrative the fundamentals are looking or how lucrative the story of the stock is. Okay, but do not go below this level, because if market believes that what you think is right and the stock has a very good story, the stock will automatically go up. It need not to go down again. Okay, so that's why don't go below 1.77. Now as I told you, you have two direct targets and one of which is going to be your big resistance. Now if by chance the stock successfully breaches 3.7 and started trading above that, then you will get your pass towards your next target, which is 4.68, right? This is going to be your next target, and then after 4.68 there will be a range. Okay, after 4.68 there will be a range, and this range is again very important because this is the middle part. So after 4.68 we have 7.32 and 7.71. so this is going to be your range we have here, and once the stock started trading above 7.71, you will get your excess for the upper end of the range. I am not, the thing is, I'm not drawing or telling you a storyline that if that happens then this will happen, if this happens that will happen. That is partially correct. So the upper end of the range is in between 15 and 16. Okay, that is partially correct, but what you need to understand here is a breakdown has happened over here and the stock must reclaim this level before started moving higher. If it indeed started moving higher above 3.7 or 4.68, we have some levels which will again work as a resistance. So after a 7.7, it won't be 15 or 16 directly, you have $11 in between. So there are levels which you need to look at before started looking higher. And as I have already told you, but I am telling this thing again, that this kind of stock possess inherent risk. So if you do not understand this thing, first prepare yourself for these kind of things before taking a punt on a stock which is trading below $5 or $10. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.